So I feel a little sad about this M8 competition. Has to be sitting here in the like wall of shame compared to the big boys here. Always when I start to film, people always pose in front of it. Always. It never goes wrong. If I wouldn't film it, they would never go stand on it. These are blacked out wheels. It's like carbon diffuser. Matte black, so it's frozen black M8 competition. And what the hell is this? Is this M performance options? This as well, and this. So the guy who went all out with M performance options. Carbon fiber. People always want to touch it. Incredible. But yeah, I mean, if this would be a coupe, I would like it a bit more. But this guy basically went in all BMW M. The most expensive BMW you can buy, except XM, but no ceramic brakes. That was a bit of a shame. But yeah, carbon here. I mean, kidneys and the hood, and the splitter, and the side things, and frozen black. And he even has a B. I thought it was a BMW logo here, but it wasn't. Anyway, he went all out on BMW M power. Actually.